Alright, this is the repainting of an old diesel I had. Here it is. It's a lifelike. Came from a train set and it just didn't work from the second I took it out of the box. Here's it it's starring in a little scene I put together. And yeah, this had a little wimpy little pancake motor, traction tires. That whole truck fell apart pretty soon after it stopped working. So I went and sourced an Athearn motor and chassis, and these are the materials I used to transform it. Pretty good. And had to shave down the coupler hole, whatever, so that the Athearn coupler piece could stick through. It's too small. Yeah. Pretty sharp, if I say so myself. Pretty crisp lines. Mostly the same, but slightly off, but you know, if you're looking for it, it'd be hard to find it. So yeah, it's just drying now. I put the glass and the horns and the headlights on. And then there's the new Athearn chassis and the new motor inside. So here it is before and the after. Lovely. It works great. Some shots of it on the layout. It's the sister engine to one I did before, which was black and red. But this one mostly just pulls passenger. There they are. The two sisters of the Paulville Grovemont and New Jersey Railroad. What a pretty duo. There's the full fleet for the railroad. So thank you for watching the Peej's Workshop. That's all for me for now. See ya!